Hi, this is Muhammad Walisha. Welcome to my channel. In this session, I am going to teach a small trick with which you can write tables from 21 to 99 without any difficulty. Yes, really it is an amazing trick. Let us learn the trick. Before going to the topic, let me say something. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Yes, really it is true. When we want to achieve a goal, we should put our heart, mind, intellect and soul to achieve it. Initially, we may feel the target or the goal is far away and seems to be not achievable. At that particular time, we should not be discouraged. We should not be disappointed. We should focus on our work only. We should not think about our goal. Simply, we should think about the way to reach the goal, the way to achieve the goal. So finally what I want to say is, once you set the goal, don't think about the goal. Just work on how to reach the goal only. So it is always better to work hard. As you know, there is no substitute for hard work. So work hard, achieve your goal. Now, without wasting your time, let us go into the topic. Before that, a small request. Watch the video till the end for better understanding. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed so far. For more videos like this, click on I button. Let us get into the topic. We know from childhood we used to by heart tables. Actually, it is a very difficult task for a student. But with this trick, you feel it is very easy. I will explain table 21 now. 21 table. Let us write two tables. 2 ones are 2, 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, table of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now, 21 table. We have to club these two numbers. 21, 42, 63, 84. So, club these two. 105, 126, 147, 168, 189. Now, here is the problem. How do we club these two? We should not write all these. We should write only units place only. This one carry forward. So, 20 plus 1, 21. So, this is a 21 table. In the same way, we can write 21 to 99. Let us write 32. Table 32. First we write table 3. 3 ones are 3. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 2 table. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Now, we club these two. 32, 64, 96, 128. From here, we have to write units digit only. And 15 and 1. Add these two. 15 plus 1, 16. Okay. Next, we write units digit only. We add these two. 18 plus 1, 19. We write 4 only. We add 21 plus 1, 22. Now we write 6 only. Add 24 plus 1, 25. We write 8 only. We add 27 plus 1, 28. We write 0 only. Let us add these two. 32, 320. I think you are able to understand. You can write now any table up to 99. Let us write table 63. Let us write table 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Now, table 3. 3 ones are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Same trick. Club these two, club these two, club these two. Now here we have to write units place only 2 and add these 2 is equal to 24 plus 1, 25. Now let us write 5, 30 plus 1, 31. Can you write? Now you can easily write I think you easily understand this. Now let us write 98 table. Let us write the table of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Let us write table 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 72, 80. Now, with the same trick, with the same method, we will write 98. Write 6, add these two, 19. Let us write 4, add these two, 29. So now, we shall write speedily. Is it not easy? It is very easy. Now you can write any table from 21 to 99 within no time. If you find this video useful, do like it, do comment, do share it, and forget not to subscribe. Thank you for watching.